Marco in Mexico here, and I'm very excited to show you guys this beautiful property, Casa Tropical, located in El Nogalito in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. This beautiful home was designed to be eco-friendly, has modern amenities, a beautiful big space, some traditional touches mixed in with modern touches, just beautifully designed, and it is tucked away here in the beautiful jungle of El Nogalito, surrounded by serene mountains. Guys, this property is beyond beautiful, and not to mention, it is just a few minute drive from one of the most popular beaches here in Puerto Vallarta, Playa Punta Negra. So please follow me. I will show you guys what makes this beautiful casa so special. Come on in. El Nogalito is a unique village beloved for its enchanting combination of jungle, mountains, creeks, and beaches, all within walking distance from Casa Tropical. This is a chance to live a simpler, nature-connected life while still enjoying all of the comforts of a modern, smart home. This eco-friendly masterpiece blends contemporary design with the raw beauty of nature, offering a small town feel with easy access to everything that Puerto Vallarta and its stunning South Shore has to offer. Casa Tropical's living area features a sleek, low-maintenance design, including framed, floor-to-ceiling black iron sliding glass doors. These doors seamlessly connect the kitchen and living room area with the outdoor space, opening up to a lush, private patio that overlooks the mountains and your very own saltwater pool. The kitchen comes with some essential appliances. The next owner has the option to fully customize the kitchen with a complete setup. The property even includes drawings for an upgraded kitchen available upon request. Casa Tropical offers 2 spacious bedrooms, each thoughtfully equipped with its own sink and shower, providing privacy and convenience. A shared toilet connects the rooms, and the sink areas are ready for customization, allowing the new owner to finish them to their unique taste. Built to be almost self-sufficient, Casa Tropical comes equipped with a 2,500-liter water cistern and a pressure tank that stores fresh water from the Nogalito River. Its 3-chamber septic tank, central air conditioning, and smart home automation let you manage temperature, lighting, and gated access, giving you modern convenience in an eco-friendly way. Thank you all so much for viewing this beautiful hidden gem with me, Casa Tropical, located in El Nogalito. I'm currently on the rooftop surrounded by the beautiful mountains here. This is really a sight to see for yourself. Please, if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out. All information and links are located down below. I'm looking forward to connecting with you guys and possibly coming to show you guys this beautiful tropical paradise here, just a very short drive away from Zona Romantica in Puerto Vallarta. We can make your dreams happen here in this beautiful paradise. Message me today.